Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious creamy peanut butter and also show you the easiest and quickest way to roast your peanuts. Trust me, after trying out this recipe, you will never buy peanut butter from the store again. To make the peanut butter, you're going to need some peanuts. I have raw peanuts. If you have roasted peanuts, that makes your work a lot easier. So I'm using 2 cups of raw peanuts and I'm going to show you the easiest way to roast your peanuts. So in the bowl, I'm going to spread it out, then put it in the microwave and roast it for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to start with 3 minutes first and let it go for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm gonna come back and give it a quick stir. So after 3 minutes, I'm gonna bring it out and stir it, mix it together. If you don't do that, if you leave it to roast for 5 minutes straight, you're gonna have some burn spots. You don't want that. I think I am out of focus. Let me move the camera backwards so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna stir it like this. You have to move it around so that the ones at the bottom can move to the top. Then I'm gonna put it back for another 2 minutes. You can put it back for 2 or 3 minutes depending on how dark you want it to be. After 2 minutes, it is ready. I'm gonna bring it out. Careful, the bowl is very hot, so you can use a napkin to hold the bowl. So I'm just gonna leave the peanut in the bowl to cool down. Because the bowl is still hot, it's still going to continue to cook. That's why I'm stirring it so that the ones at the bottom don't burn. So when it cools down, I'm gonna remove the skin. Now that the peanut is no longer hot to touch, I'm gonna take off the skin. In case you don't know how to do it, this is how to peel off the skin. Once you are able to peel off the skin like this, you know your peanut is done. When you bring the peanut out of the microwave, it doesn't look this dark, but the longer it stays and when it cools down, it becomes darker. So when I'm done rubbing the skin off, I'm gonna blow off the skin. This is how I know how to do it. There are so many ways to do it. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. Thank you. As you can see, we're already done. Wasn't that easy? Roasting your peanut in the microwave within 5 minutes, and the color is uniform and very pretty. You can blend your peanuts in a blender, but because I have a corn mill, I like to first use it before transferring it to a blender, which makes it a lot easier on my blender so that it doesn't wear out quickly or even burn out. The reason why I also use the blender is to get that creamy consistency which you're not going to get from using this grinder. So let me show you what the end product looks like. It is smooth but not creamy. That's why I need to use the blender. So I'm going to transfer it into a blender, then add the remaining ingredients. Peanut butter does not have a fantastic taste if you do not add salt, sugar or some other spices. So I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can add sugar to your taste. You can add more or less, but I don't think you would want to add more because this one is very sweet. Let me use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. So once in a while, you can scrape the sides of the blender if you have to, so that everything will be well incorporated. Making this peanut butter brings to mind a very popular spicy peanut butter from the eastern part of Nigeria, popularly known as Oseoji. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. It is spicy, delicious, and eaten with garden eggs. And it is sometimes offered to special guests or enjoyed during celebratory time. So we are done blending it. As you can see, it is very creamy. This is the right consistency. I'm gonna pour the peanut butter into a clean sterilized jar. Look at this delicious goodness. Look at the way it is falling into the jar. Amazing. Very, very delicious. So I'm just gonna give it a gentle tap to remove any air pockets. Peanut butter has a very long shelf life. You can store it in the shelf, a cool dry place, or in a refrigerator. Either way, it's gonna last as long as you want. Isn't this so beautiful? So creamy and delicious. I can't wait. Let us make a PB&J. PB&J is not only delicious, it is very nutritious. It is good for you. It contains unsaturated fat, which is plant-based. It is very good for your muscle, and it also has a lot of vitamins and carbohydrates, which will energize you and keep you healthy. This peanut butter is delicious by itself. You do not need any jelly or jam. And if you prefer only peanut butter sandwich, enjoy. But I'm gonna be using strawberry spread. You can use any jam or jelly of your choice. You can make this as breakfast for your kids or pack it as lunch for school or when they come back from school. Either way, it is very, very delicious. Since we are talking about sandwich, I have a quick question. How do you like your sandwich? Do you like it whole or do you like to cut it? And if you like to cut it, how do you cut it? So let's meet in the comment section and talk about it. Peanut butter can also be enjoyed with any fruit of your choice. So I have shown you the easiest way to roast peanuts and how to make the most delicious peanut butter. So if you're a peanut lover and you love peanut butter, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you're gonna love it. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.